Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. Disclaimer: Trading and investments are subject to market risk, so we are not a SEBI registered analyst. So we are just sharing our interpretations and previous past experience which we have been undergone. So before making any decisions, kindly make your own analysis or consult with your financial advisors. So now let us get into this video. One of our Telegram channel members requested to post the chart analysis of Hero Motor, HDFC, Hamar Raja Battery, and DLF stocks. So due to lagging in the technical analysis, he took the stock. So just like that, and now his portfolio is in a negative way. So he requested to make this video. So and also I would like to share this video to the entire retailers community to understand what is happening in this entire stocks. So let us do the top to bottom analysis of Hero Motors, HDFC, Hamad Raja Battery, and DLF stocks. So first let me move on to the Hero Motors now. So this is the overall picture, the broader time frame analysis of Hero Motors Corp. And if you see here, so it has took the resistance around 1, 2, 3, 4 time it took the resistance in the above line, and 1, 2, 3 time it took the support on this line. So this both the lines will act as the major support and the resistance. Now let us get into the shorter time frame. And as a broader view, if you see here, the stock has took the support here and it is looking to reach up to this 5200 resistance line as the broader picture. Let me move on to the weekly time frame now. Okay. So in the weekly time frame, it is started to travel in the wedge pattern, and if you see here, it took resistance at 1, 2, 3 times and support at 1, 2 times, and it also gave the breakout from this wedge pattern, and still the stock is trying to get into this wedge pattern. And if the stock prices has moved into this into this wedge pattern, higher the chances the stock will able to go higher and touch the resistance levels. Let me move on to the 1 day time frame. So in the 1 day time frame, we have been found some chart pattern formation. So we can use this chart pattern as the swing trade in the upcoming days. You see here, the price is moving in the channel pattern. If in case is there any other formation, any breakout of this level, higher the chances the channel pattern will get these resistance up to this level. So if the prices any 1 day candle closes above this black line, so we can expect some intraday trading and the stock price will reach up to this level or else this resistance level. And once after the breakout of this channel or breakdown from this channel, we can expect some trading opportunities in this stock. And as the investors perspective, if we see here, we can have 2741 as the major support. If any 1 day candle closes below this level, it's good to exit. And also we have the channel pattern formation. If there is any 1 day candle closes below this level, the investors can exit their position, and if they want to take some more risk, they can hold on still 2041 level. In case if 1 day candle closes below this level, it's better to get out of this stock. Okay, so please make use of this chart for the swing trade, and also I will be posting in future if there is any breakout or breakdown happen in this stock. So please be part of our Telegram group. I will provide the link in our description section. And let us move on to the HDFC now. It's a broader view. You see here, it is also in the resistance area and it's trying to give a retest. After some retracement, the chances are high to get the breakout of this resistance. Okay, now let us move on to the weekly time frame and daily time analysis. So generally the trend line should be like this manner, and as the stock took some support here, I drawn the trend line like this. So excuse me for that. Okay, so if you see here, we have some channel formation, and the price is tend to move inside this channel pattern. So in the upcoming days, if we have any breakout from this channel pattern, so higher the chances the stock price will get into up to this black line, which is the resistance line. And also as anyone took this trade already and you are looking for the support level, so now please make 2451 level as the support, and the stock is taking support now. If any one day candle closes below this level, further the price will get into this 2354 levels, and even the breakdown from this level, the stock will fall up to the lower blue color support level. And also in the 4 hour time frame, I found one more chart pattern. You see here, it's like a morning star pattern. So just consider this both the candles as a single candle, and it's a drop, and here we have single candle, it's a star type of candle, and here we have the bullish, which is a morning star pattern. So after the breakout of 2492 level, higher the chances the stock will reach up to this blue line. So have the stock into your watch list. So Hamar Raja battery. So the future is based on the battery stocks, but as I found, this stock is a little much already got overpriced. If you see here, this is the history of the chart, and it was traveled for around 5 to 6 years in this channel pattern, and finally it gave a breakout, and again it taking some retracement, and this retracement is almost ruining the bullish power. Now let us get in the weekly time frame. So our channel formation is in the primary trend. So after the breakout, the stock is trying to take a retest with this channel level. If there is any bullish candle formation nearby this channel area, we can make the new trade. And currently, if you are looking to exit from this trade, we can have a 732 as the strong support. If there is any breakdown of any one day candle below this level, we can take some intraday on the next day, and also we can have the target of around 700 or 695. And if the stock gets entered into this channel pattern, it's better to exit from this trade, as higher the chances the price will get up to this channel support line. And also if there is any breakout from this higher channel pattern which I drawn in the blue color, we can expect some swing trade around 5 to 10%. It is forming a typical channel pattern. So if there is any breakout of from this level, higher the chances the stock will give the target of around 791, 826 and 915. So theoretically I am just giving the previous swings as the target level, so make use of this stock. So next we will be moving on to the DLF stock. If you see here, so once stock has been listed, it went up to a maximum level, and from the maximum level the stock tends to fall to the minimum, and after the long years the stock has started to travel in the channel pattern, and currently it is trading near the resistance levels. You see here we have the morning star pattern, and the pattern is also confirmed. So this, in the longer perspective, if the stock is not break out from this level, higher the chances the stock will come up to this level. So let me move on to the daily time frame. So in this stock there is a triangle pattern formation. So if there is any breakout of this level, we can expect for some swing trade opportunities with the target of this above resistance level around 310. And for the investors and swing traders who already having the stock in their portfolio, if the stock took a breakdown from this 280 level, if any one day candle closes below this level, so better you exit from this trade. Otherwise there will be a higher the chances the stock will get support from this level. So if any candle closes here, you can exit, and in future if we have any buying opportunities either in this stock or any other stock, we can make profit in those opportunities. So please make use of this stock, and I will provide our Telegram channel link in the description section. Please do follow us on Telegram, and also if you want us to make any stock analysis video, please make your comment, and please like and subscribe this video. Thank you. Happy trading.